In this video, we're going to look at how to create custom sign-up fields. Let's first look at the default sign-up page. By default, sign-up page has just the basic set of fields: username, email, and password. There are some more predefined fields that could be enabled, like first name and last name. To do that, we need to add a few custom properties from the site details. Start by opening the site details and go to the Customization tab. Just enter a new line at the end and enter these two lines. Each of these lines are formatted as name equals value. Names are predefined property names. Values are specific to the property. Sometimes they are true and false, and other times they will represent the full text value. OK, save it. Now, let's go back to the sign-up page and refresh it. We can see the first and last name fields are displayed beside the default fields. Now, let's look at how to define new custom fields for the sign-up page. From the Site Admin menu, click on User Properties. You would see this blank text editor with a predefined title. Click on Save and Close. This action will initialize a file in the CMS. Subsequently, if you click on the User Properties again, this time you won't see the text editor anymore. Instead, a custom view will be shown. Click on the Add New button to start adding new properties. Enter the property name, description, and type. What we're doing here is creating a simple text field to start with. Check the other options, like Show on Sign-up and Visible on Profile. Now, when you've done that, save and close. Once you come out of the Edit view, you'll see this message confirming that the content is in a draft state. This means, of course, the field we've added is still not active. If you want to commit to your changes, then just click on Publish. If we refresh the sign-up page, we can see the new field is appearing in the form. Let's add a few more fields. We'll add a date field this time. Enter the name, caption, and description. Select the date type. Enable the field to show on sign-up page. Now, save and close. Then, publish. Refresh the sign-up page. After doing that, you'll see the date field has been added in the form. It allows selecting a date value from the calendar widget. Let's add another field with a list of values like the drop-down field. Enter a name, caption, and description. select drop-down for the field's type. Now make it visible on Sign Up and save. After you save, you'll see more options next to the drop-down. You can enable Multi-Select option to allow more than one value to be selected, or choose Display Style as a radio button or a checkbox. For now, we'll just keep everything to default to keep things simple. As this field is a drop-down, you can see another tab for values. Go to the Values tab and enter the values for the drop-down. You can use any value in the ID. Just make sure you don't change those IDs after you've defined them once. Now save the values. Save again, and then close and publish. Now refresh the Sign Up page. You can see the drop-down field with the specified values has been added in the form. If you want to allow multiple values to be selected, then you can change the drop-down option and enable Multi-Select. Similarly, you can change the display style and show the radio buttons or checkboxes. Let's enable the radio button display. After you've done that, save and publish. Now refresh the Sign Up page. We can see, instead of the drop-down, a group of radio buttons are shown. One value can be selected from this group. Let's now enable the Multi-Select option for this field and publish again. We can now see a group of checkboxes. This means the user can select multiple values for this field. This is how you can add any number of custom fields and manage the Sign Up page settings. For these custom fields, you can also look at more settings like mandatory, searchable, visible on profile, etc., and customize them according to your needs. You can also make some fields available only for a specific group. To do this, you can specify by selecting a group from the drop-down. This feature can also be used along with group-specific coupon codes. Any user who uses the code for this group during sign-up will see these additional fields.